In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design typography in Canva. Typography is the art of arranging text in a way that makes your design not only visually appealing, but also effective in communicating your message. So let's dive into it. First, you want to head over to canva.com. If you haven't already, make sure you are logged into your Canva account. Once you're logged in, you'll be looking at the main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu bar. Click on Projects. Here you can start a new design or choose an existing one that you want to work on. Once you have your design open, look to the left-hand sidebar again, and this time click on the Text tab. You'll see options like Add a heading, Add a subheading, and add a little bit of body text. Go ahead and click on one of these options to insert a text box into your design. Now it's time to get creative and type in the message you want to convey. With your text selected, you'll notice a toolbar popping up at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to customizing your typography. Let's start by changing the font. Click on the font name to open a drop-down list of all available fonts. Browse through these until you find the perfect one that suits your design theme and message. Next, let's talk about font size. You have two options here. You can click the number next to the font name and input the size you desire. Or if you prefer a more hands-on approach, grab hold of the white corner handles around the text box and simply drag them to scale your text larger or smaller. Both ways effectively change the prominence and emphasis of your text. Moving on to color, the spice of typography, click on the little A icon in the top toolbar, which will open a color palette. Take your time to experiment and choose a color that complements the rest of your design. This color change can greatly enhance your design's mood or call to action prompt. You'll also see icons labeled B for bold and I for italic. If your font choice supports these styles, feel free to click them to add some character to your text. Next up, we have text alignment. The alignment icon looks like a set of lines. You can align your text left, center, right, or for that professional feel. Justify it. Now, for a bit more refinement, click on the advanced settings or the spacing icon in the top toolbar. Starting with letter spacing, adjusting this will affect the space between each letter. It's a subtle change, but can dramatically alter the readability and feel of your design. Similarly, line spacing affects the space between lines of text, allowing your typography to look airier or more compact. For some additional flair, you can click the Effects button on the toolbar. Here you can add shadows, glows, or a host of other effects to make your text pop off the screen. Finally, if you want to add some movement to your text, click the Animate button. This opens a menu with various animation styles that bring your text to life as it appears on the screen. Choose one that aligns with the tone of your project, and just like that, your typography has gone from static to dynamic. And that's it! You've just learned the essentials of designing typography in Canva, turning your text from ordinary to extraordinary.